Satsivi. Fried chicken soaked in sauce with spices. A main dish from Georgia. You will
Serves
need
2.
13 ingredients. Step 1. Boil the chicken until half ready, take it out of the pot, put it into the oven and fry until browned. Step 2. Stew finely chopped onions in the fat taken off the chicken broth. Step 3. Add the broth to the onions gradually, stirring them frequently to avoid burning. Step 4. Mince shelled walnuts together with garlic. Add all the spices, except fenugreek, salt, and pepper to the walnut mixture. Step 5. Pour the chicken broth into it. Step 6. When the onions are well stewed, add the walnut mixture to them and simmer for 15 minutes. Crush fresh cilantro in the mortar together with salt, squeeze the juice out of it and add it together with fenugreek to the walnut mixture. CountryReports. Culture. Simmer it for 5 Countries. minutes. Travel.